This is my video about the beads and my inspiration behind this Little Mermaid inspired pink and turquoise beadwork. So I couldn't literally be any more excited about this piece than I am right now. So I love how coral and turquoise look together, red turquoise and coral. And I saw this color, this pinky peach. It's so bright and so beautiful. And I thought this in a star pattern at the neckline, these juicy reds and red oranges to like really complement my skin tone, and these kind of tie them all in, and then it just end with this beautiful array of turquoise. So I really am so excited about this piece because I think it's gonna look so beautiful. And just to add more sparkle elements to the turquoise bit, I added these more bluer beads that are going to be like accents. And yeah, these are beautiful colors.